Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can take low shots on the FIFA 23. Okay, so just to be sure how it works, when you are in the practice area now, you can just simply enter for the buttons help and move to the right side with the R2, and as you can see the low shot we can find right here. So we have to basically tap once on the wheel on our shot button. So let's try it. We are running into the goal and just press on it once. Just tap. You don't have to click and hold it. And as you can see the ball is like stick in the ground. That's very simple. Previously we have to click and hold the left one and the R1, but currently it's the power shot. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.